Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. In today's episode, we dive into the world of finance and markets, from crude oil's first significant slide since 2020 to Morgan Stanley's optimism in healthcare services amidst election year. We'll also discuss the projected rise in U.S. spirits revenue as consumers lean towards affordable luxury, and take a look at the contrasting fortunes of U.S. and global IPO markets post-2023 recovery. Stay tuned after this short ad break for these intriguing insights. In the year 2023, crude oil experienced its initial yearly drop in a trio of years, plummeting more than 10% as a result of warfare and production reductions by OPEC+. Even though there were occasional price surges due to geopolitical strife, worries about an excess supply and inadequate demand continue to linger. The energy sector ranked second from the bottom in terms of performance on the S&P 500, with a decline of 4.1%.
Morgan Stanley forecasts a favorable future for the managed care and retail pharmacy sectors. This is in spite of potential risks associated with elections and increasing rates of healthcare utilization. The firm identifies growth potential in pharma benefit managers, particularly due to the GLP-1 class of weight loss drugs and biosimilars. Morgan Stanley also expects benefits from forthcoming Medicare Advantage rate notices in 2025, while drawing attention to the possible effects of continuous Medicaid eligibility reviews until 2024. United Health is considered by Morgan Stanley as the leading choice within the sector, whereas Walgreens may experience a more subdued growth outlook.
In light of concerns regarding inflation, it is projected that the revenue from spirits in the United States will experience a 3% increase by the year 2024, amounting to a total of $54.9 billion. The sales are expected to be driven primarily by vodka and tequila. There is observed growth within the industry for premium and craft spirits, including those like fruit-infused vodkas and gins with botanical elements. Despite potential impacts from inflation, CEOs maintain an optimistic outlook on consumer demand. However, Diageo has issued a warning about potentially weaker performance in regions such as Latin America and the Caribbean, while identifying India, Mexico, and Brazil as emerging markets showing significant growth.
In the year 2023, there was a moderate rebound in United States initial public offerings from the previous year, 2022. They managed to raise $19.4 billion through 107 launches. This happened despite market constraints such as rate hikes and geopolitical unrest. The amount raised showed a significant increase from the $7.7 billion raised in 2022. However, it still fell short of the staggering $142.4 billion generated in the booming equity markets of 2021. Major deals during this period included those from chipmaker Arm Holdings and footwear maker Birkenstock Holding, among others. On a global scale, initial public offerings declined, with proceeds totaling $112 billion compared to $148.2 billion in 2022.
That's it for today on the Daily Business and Finance Show. Remember, the world of business never sleeps. Stay informed, stay ahead. Until next time, goodbye. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. It's been a pleasure, until we meet again tomorrow. This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. This podcast provides information only and should not be construed as financial or business advice. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.